Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to contact TapTap Send support. So here's a easy workaround to do that. But before that, make sure you subscribe to the channel because it actually helps me out. So let's get started. The first thing to do, which is step one, is to launch the app and log in. Then from there, you have to tap your profile or the menu icon, which is the 3-line icon. Then you have to select help or support and feedback. Then after that, you have to tap the chat with support or contact us. Then from there, you have to describe the issue clearly, including the amount, the date, the recipient, and the last 4 digits of the card if relevant. Then after that, you have to add screenshot, which is very optional. So attach your proof or error message, then submit the message and wait for a reply in the app. And alternatively, if you can't access the app, you can use the help center or search TapTap Send Help Center online, or you can also open a request contact form by the email app, so which is the help support. Then choose the support, describe the issue, and send it, which also include your registration phone number and your country, and that's it. So you will get a response in the app, chat, or by email if you access them through the web. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for the video for more.